Welcome to a home where vintage charm blends seamlessly with artistic layers. In this interior tour, we'll explore spaces rich with character, crafted details, and stories in every corner. Let's begin the journey. The home in this video reveals a beautifully curated world where vintage elegance and artistic expression come together in harmony. Every room feels intentionally layered, combining classic furniture with richly textured details that evoke warmth and nostalgia. The spaces are filled with character, antique woods, curated artwork, patterned fabrics, and decorative objects that seem collected over time rather than purchased at once. There's a strong sense of storytelling throughout the interiors. Bedrooms carry a soft, romantic charm. Living spaces embrace comfort with eclectic blends of mid-century pieces and traditional silhouettes. Kitchens and dining rooms highlight rustic craftsmanship and lived-in authenticity. Even the more functional areas, like the wardrobe, laundry room, workshop, and garage, are treated with the same attention to detail, making them feel both practical and aesthetically rich. Natural light, warm tones, and thoughtful composition give the entire home a soulful, timeless atmosphere. Each room feels distinct, but the overall flow is connected by a shared love of vintage character, artistry, and meaningful layers, creating a home that feels not only designed, but deeply lived in and lovingly built over time. A garage rounds out the collection with a polished garage where the warm wooden cabinetry contrasts with the sleek car, merging utility, passion, and design into a single, striking statement.